So good evening, Maniklal.
Good evening, sir.
So Maniklal, so how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So Maniklal, so we will talk about tens. We will talk about tens. So how many kinds of tens?
There are three kinds of tense.
Three kinds of tens. So tell me.
Past tense, present tense, future tense.
Past and present tense. So future tense. So we will talk past tense, present tense. We will talk present tense. So present tense. So present tense. So present tense. So present tense. Present tense, present simple, present continuous, and present perfect and present perfect continuous. So today we will talk. No, so fast. No, you have to. I will tell you some sentence. I will tell you some sentence in Hindi. So you have to translate into English. So can you translate into English? Yes, very good. So both of you don't talk. Hello. Both of you don't talk. No, translate into English. English. Fast है. Present. Present tense. Present tense. So present simple. Present simple. Present simple. Present simple tense. Present simple. Fast है affirmative. Affirmative sentence. Affirmative. Affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Fast है. Yes, yes, you can. मैं अंग्रेजी come this side. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ. No, you. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ.
I speak English.
I
Speak English.
speak English. I speak
कहाँ
English.
से बना रहा है?
I speak English. I speak English. So very good. I speak. No. Back. Yes. So I speak English. So can you tell me structure of this sentence?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
So can you tell me the structure of this sentence? The structure. So
Subject
tell me.
plus verb.
Subject plus yes, coming. Subject plus verb one. Verb 5 plus other words. Yes. Next है negative sentence. Negative sentence. क्या मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलता हूँ. मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलता हूँ. So
I don't speak English.
I don't speak English. I don't speak English. So can you tell me a structure of this number? Can you tell me a structure of this sentence? No structure.
Subject plus helping verb doodles.
Subject plus
Helping verb doodles.
helping verb do does
Plus not plus verb one plus other words.
plus not
Plus
verb one plus
other words. सर जी कॉपी जमा लेंगे सबका?
yes. So next.
ओ यूज ऐसा कर दिए.
Yes, so other words value. No,
साथी कलर करेंगे. कलर बना.
no, come this side. So no, someone open the window. Wait, hello. Open the window. So interrogative sentence.
पत्थर लगा दे.
So interrogative sentence.
उसका बंद.
Interrogative. Look at here. Look at here. Interrogative sentence. So क्या मैं open the window, Babu. What are you doing there? Open the window. Yes. So क्या मैं अंग्रेजी come this side and stand here. क्या मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ? क्या मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ?
Do I speak English?
Do I speak? So man, go open the window.
पत्थर लगा.
So do I speak English? Very good. So can you tell me structure of this sentence.
Yes.
Structure. No.
Helping verb doodles.
Helping verb do does
Plus subject
plus subject
plus verb one
plus verb one plus other word
plus question
plus question
mark.
mark. Good. So interrogative, negative interrogative, negative interrogative, negative interrogative. So क्या मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलता हूँ? क्या मैं अंग्रेजी यस कमिंग क्या मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलता हूँ? नहीं बोलता हूँ. क्या मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलता हूँ? नो. टेल मी.
Don't I speak English?
Don't I speak English? Don't talk, Babu. Don't talk. Both of you don't talk. So can you tell me a structure of this sentence? Tell me.
Helping verb
Helping verb
doodles
do does
plus not
plus
plus subject
not plus subject plus
verb one plus
verb one plus
other word plus question mark.
other word plus question mark. So good. So helping verb plus doodle plus subject plus verb one plus other word plus question mark. No. So we will talk about so simple present continuous, present continuous, present continuous, present continuous. So let me clean the board. So okay. Let me clean the board. Okay. Then present continuous, present continuous, present continuous. So first affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. So first. So yes, मैं yes मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. I am eating food. I am eating food. So can you tell me a structure? Well, hello, where are you looking? Can you tell me a structure of this number on this sentence? Subject plus helping verb is am are plus verb plus other words. Verb plus other words. Now next, interrogative. No interrogative. So मैं खाना yes. So negative. So negative क्या? मैं खाना नहीं खा रहा हूँ. नहीं खा रहा हूँ. मैं खाना नहीं खा रहा हूँ. No. So tell me. So I am not eating food. I am not eating food. No. So I am not eating food. Can you tell me a structure? Can you tell me a structure? Structure comes from the no structure. Subject plus helping verb is am are plus not plus verb plus other words. Yes, good. So next. So next interrogative. Next interrogative sentence. Yes, study your interrogative sentence. मैं क्या मैं so interrogative sentence क्या मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. क्या मैं खाना खा come this side. Don't sit. डोंट सिट ऐसे, क्या मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, क्या मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, एम आई ईटिंग फूड, एम आई ईटिंग फूड. So structure, can you tell me structure? So structure, helping verb is an are. Why hello? Don't shout, I said. Don't talk. Plus subject plus verb plus other word plus question mark. Yes. So negative interrogative. So negative interrogative sentence. Negative interrogative. Interrogative. So negative interrogative. Negative interrogative. Yes. क्या मैं खाना नहीं खा रहा हूँ, नहीं खा रहा हूँ, क्या मैं खाना नहीं खा रहा हूँ. So tell me. Haven't I eating food? Haven't I eating food? No structure. Structure. Helping verb is am are plus not plus subject plus verb plus other one plus question. So very good. So next present perfect. Next step present perfect. Present perfect. Present perfect. Present perfect tense. Present perfect. Present perfect. Affirmative sentence. So affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Present perfect. Yes, coming. मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूँ. मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूँ. So can you tell me? Yes, I have written a letter. मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूँ. I have written a letter. So can you tell me structure of this sentence? Structure. Subject plus helping verb has have verb 3 plus other words. Good. So intro negative. So negative sentence. So मैं पत्र नहीं लिख चुका हूँ. मैं पत्र नहीं लिख चुका हूँ. तो लिख लिया है. लिख चुका. Yes. So no. I have not written letter. I have not written a letter. So can you tell me a structure? So structure.
Subject plus helping
Oh, hello, don't shout. Subject plus helping verb. Oh, hello, don't shout, Babu. Plus not plus verb 3 plus so other words. So क्या है? Other words. Helping plus verb 3 plus other words. So next. So interrogative. Interrogative. No, come sir. Interrogative. क्या मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूँ. So interrogative से क्या मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूँ. क्या मैं पत्र लिख चुका हूँ. Have I written a letter. Have I written a letter? So can you tell me structure? A structure. Structure. Helping verb. Has, have. Plus subject. Verb 3 plus other word plus question. Yes, very good. So next is negative interrogative. Negative interrogative sentence. No, क्या मैं पत्र नहीं लिख चुका हूँ? क्या मैं पत्र नहीं लिख चुका हूँ? क्या मैं पत्र नहीं लिख चुका हूँ? So translate in English. Haven't I written a letter?